In today's video, we'll be looking at the Vlookup function in Microsoft Excel. Label now what we're doing. This is a Vlookup function that we're using in Excel. So we're going to type the word name, email, tone, and property value. Enter. All right, we're going to expand this. Good. All right, so we're going to write the name here. Al Joe, email ajoe at ymail.com. We're going to widen the column there. Our tone, let's call it B. Property value, 90,000. Fee old, email old at msn.com. Tone by tone. Property value 70,000. Jill Sam J Sam at yahoo.com. Enter. We're gonna widen the column. Almond. Property value 50,000. Tom Brown. Enter. We're gonna widen the column. So it's TB at msn.com. The tone, let's call it small, and property value 60,000. All right, enter. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna format this range so that it is showing the currency. So we're gonna go 0 decimal place. We're gonna click OK. All right, good. Now, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna zoom out a bit. All right, so we're gonna write the word name here. We're gonna write email. Then we're gonna type here tone. All right, so we're gonna type property value here. Enter. We're gonna widen this column a bit. All right, so we're gonna make the sheet zoom out a bit. All right, so we have everything showing here. All right, so the name that we're looking for is Al Joe. And what we want to do now, we want to use the VLOOKUP function to display the name for Aljo here. So what we're going to do, we're going to type equal VLOOKUP. Here it is. So we're going to click on it. Now it's asking you for the lookup value. The lookup value would be Aljo, comma. It's asking you for the table array. So we're going to select all of this information here, comma. Then the column index number. B would be 1, C would be 2, D would be 3, and column E would be 4. So the email address would be, the column index would be 2. So we type 2, comma, and type the word false because we want an exact match. All right, close bracket, enter, and there is a correct email address. All right, we're going to extract the town now from the table above. So we're going to use the VLOOKUP function again. So go equal VLOOKUP. We click on it here. It's asking us for the lookup value, which would be the aljo, the cell with the name aljo, comma. The table array will be the same as before. Press type comma. Then the column index number, because it's a tone, would be 3 because B is 1, C is 2, and D is 3. So we type 3, comma, and what we're going to do is click now the word false instead of typing it. All right. Then we close bracket, press enter, and there it says B. All right, the property value now, I'm going to type equal VLOOKUP. I'm going to select from the here. The lookup value would be the cell that has aljo, comma. The table array would be this information, comma. The column index number would be 4, comma. And we're going to click false here to get an exact match. Going to close the bracket, enter, there it says 90,000. Now we're going to format the cell that has 90,000 to show the currency. So we're going to right click on the cell and then right click, go to format cells. We're going to go to currency, 0 decimal place, click OK, and there it is. So we're going to check it now. So the next one, the next name is fee old. Enter. All right, there's the email address is correct, the tone is correct, and the property value is correct. All right, so we're going to try the next one now, which is Jill Sam. Press enter, and there is the tone is correct, the email address, and the property value is correct. All right, so we're going to try Tom Brown. Enter, and there is the information being correct. So the email address is correct, the tone is correct, and the property value is correct. All right, so in today's video, we looked at the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. In the next video, we'll be looking at how do we make a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. So we're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. At CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite IT resource. Please take care until we see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.